Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. Welcome to MR Educare Class 8 English version Math chapter name. Let us take decision after understanding information. MCQ practice. Number 1. If the range is 76 and the class interval is 10, what is the number of classes? Answer D 8. Number 2. What is the range of the number 21, 24, 18, 10, 6, 23, and 30? Answer D, 25. Number 3. How many types are there of data sources? Answer B, 2. Number 4. What is the class interval of 85 to 89? Answer B, 5. What is the mean of 12, 23, 14, 20, 24, 21? Here mean is 19. Number 6. What is the mode of the data? 12, 9, 7, 15, 10, 11, 8, 10, 9, and 8. Answer B, 10. Number 7. What is the median of the data? 5, 7, 9, 10, 15, 23, 12, and 7. Answer B, 11. Answer in a word. Number 1. What is the mean of the data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Answer 4.5. Number 2. What is the maximum value of any class called? Answer upper limit. Number 3. What is the mode of the following data series? 10, 13, 19, 11, 13, 12, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 13, and 20. Answer 13. Number 4. Write the formula of mode for classified data. Answer. Mode is equal to L plus F1 by F1 plus F2 into H. Number 5. Write the formula of median for classified data. Answer. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus Fc by Fm into H. Number 6. If the range is 110 and the number of classes is 10, then what is the class interval? Answer 11.